Hi, Randy here again. Today we're going to go over three things: the bylaws of the OA, the amenities agreement, and proxies. First, the bylaws. It does a number of things, the changes. It introduces the freeholders, whether they're whole owners or fractional owners that have decided to sign a cooperation agreement. It imports all of the rights and obligations that were in the head lease and sublease arrangement and brings it into the bylaws. It updates the bylaws for how we're actually doing things. It also aligns the bylaws with our current form of the Nonprofits Corporation Act so that we comply. And finally, it allocates the costs as we have described. That's the first one. The second one is the amenities. We've historically had an agreement with RCR that we paid each $85 per month per condo. We're getting rid of that agreement. Instead, we're replacing it with a resort fee, which will be $5 per night per condo that you actually reside in. So if you stay in your unit, you'll pay $5 per night directly to RCR. Alternatively, you'll have the opportunity to just opt into the $85 per month and pay that instead. Now, what's important here is that gives us access to all of the amenities in the lodge, but the lockers are not part of this fee. We will use those directly. We will continue to use those as part of our management contract with RCR. Feedback that we got was that everyone really likes the lockers and the access. Finally, those services will be reviewed annually by the board. The last thing we want to talk about is the proxies. We're getting close to the meeting, and now is the time we ask you to turn your attention to how you'd like to vote. We, of course, would prefer for you to come to the meeting in person, but if you cannot attend, there's a proxy form in the documents that was sent out. Now, my name is the one that's listed on there, and that's just by convention, but you can strike my name off and put any other name that you choose to in there. And you can also add specific directions on how you'd like to have your vote cast. So please sign it, scan it, and email it back to us either at this address that we received this email from, or at the owners at Lizard Creek address. Thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you.